Hey everybody, welcome to a new episode. No, I'm not driving right now, by the way. I am parked on the side of the road, so in case anyone's wondering. Got a special treat in today. You guys are going to find out what's happening with the engine, so stay tuned for that. Alright, just got to Henderson, Nevada, which is just past Las Vegas, and I just pulled up to Atomic Motors, which is right behind me. These are the guys I'm going to be doing all of the engine work, so go in and talk to them, get a game plan going for all of the machine work that needs to be done. Sorry for the bad audio quality in this episode, I don't have my mic with me. This is just everything all thrown in the back of my truck. Gonna drop it off to these guys. There's tons of cool cars.
Remodeling like another 30,000 square feet on this bottom end.
Wow.
Like I said, we took everything down off the benches to move them. So it looked like it was.
So I just finished talking to Jared. He's the engine machinist here. He's going to be taking care of my engine. Quick game plan, timeline set up for all the engine work getting done. In the meantime, my piston guy is going to be getting the custom sized forged pistons and rings and all that so they can get shipped in along with connecting rods and we get this thing assembled. I still need to buy all of the quick shift TV WTF auto stuff. That's that company in Australia that's doing the billet aluminum oil pan, the custom higher flowing oil pump, and the still head gaskets, because those all need to be upgraded. So it's all getting started. Saying goodbye to this engine. It's just on a pallet right behind me on the ground there. So back to St. George. So you can see the old engine mounts, I just ground those off. They're all finished up. Here's the notch inside for that new Subaru power steering rack. I had to make it a bit more of a V than a U, but fits perfect now, as well as the notch to get that bottom piece of it in there. And then the engine mount, of course, ground off. So I'm gonna get this thing painted as well as the coilovers. So all the front end painting is done. Hopefully it's done and I don't have to paint anything more. I think it is. Anyway, I've been painting too much on this stupid car. So while I had the grinder out, while I was grinding up all those old engine mounts off, I went ahead and finished grinding off all of these little tabs I cut off in one of the previous episodes. Just never got around to it, but it's done now. So that's done, front end's done. I'm gonna reassemble all this probably in a couple days once that paint has had time to dry and to cure up all the way. I think I'm just gonna call this episode here. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate the support, the likes, the comments, the shares. It all helps me out, keeps me motivated to make these videos in the first place. It takes a lot of time and a lot of effort to put the videos together. I know they're not very good quality, especially this episode. I don't have my microphone plugged in, so the sound quality is actually gonna be pretty bad in this one. But I appreciate it anyway. So thank you guys, and we'll talk to you soon.